Schwaz here. I'm gonna teach you how to make a nice, seamless video on how to download a torrent today. So let's get right into it. So first things first here is we're gonna open our torrent client so that we can go through the interface there in our video. So let's open that up. Damn it, cut. So now that we have our torrent client open here, we can start going through some of the options. On the left side here, you can see all of our options for our downloading, seeding, and completed torrents. You can just click through here to find the respective torrents after they've done their steps there. You can find all your options up here, get everything through here. But this isn't the main focus of our video today. We want to actually download a torrent, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So I've gone ahead and opened up a popular torrent website here, and I've navigated to one of the most popular anime torrents as an example download for our video today. This is the Naruto. No, I'm just kidding. Fuck this gay shit. We're downloading Brokeback Mountain. Get it, boys. So now that that's downloading, I promised myself I wouldn't cut this video, so we're just going to go ahead and wait for that to download. Now, if you notice here, I'm getting a download speed of 4.2 per second. 4.3 per second. So that's a little fast. If you're finding your downloads are going a little fast, you can go ahead and limit the download rate to, we're just gonna go ahead, we'll go with 1045 kilobits a second. So we're just gonna let that download, and we'll get right back to the video as soon as that's done. So I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this because I don't want to wait. We're just going to go ahead and delete the files. But that's how you download the torrent. So now we're going to go and move on to the section of the video where we explain how to make a video explaining how to download the torrent and how to make the video. So let's get right into that. So I realized in our last section there, I forgot to teach you how to record your actual screen here, or just the window. That's a big process if we're making a video on how to download a torrent. So I'm gonna pop into that before we get into any of the video editing. It seems a little more pertinent. So I use OBS. You'll bring that over here. You're just gonna set that over here, and there's a lot of options here that you can go through. There's a lot of options here that you can go through. There's a lot of options here that you can go through. You got your mic, you can set up your mic. Things here, set up your mic. Really just capture anything you need. Really just capture anything you need. Really just capture anything you need. Record it and it saves. So that's record it and it saves. Just go ahead and get rid of that. Record it and it just go ahead and get rid of that. That's that. The real important thing now is the actual editing of the real important editing. So let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breaths. Let's take a deep breath. We're gonna go ahead and get into that. So now that we're in our video editing software, you can see I've pre-set up our previously recorded footage of our downloading and installing torrents, of the explaining the usable interface of our torrent client, the functionality of a popular torrent website, and the search functions of said website. So let's get into some editing here. Really, all you need to do to make a cohesive tutorial is make sure your information is flowing in a linear path. You want to make sure you've got a good start point and an end point, and make sure you're on a focused path from start to end to relay that information as accurately and just the most ease that you possibly can. So if you start at the beginning, you can fuck around with an intro or something, but that's generally kind of gay. You don't want to do that. You're just wasting people's time. It's like 15 to 30 seconds of just wasted time. They're never getting that back. That's just time off their life. I mean, anyone that makes an intro is a fucking tool. You don't need it. Might as well put an outro on everything. Like, hey, let's just put in 40 seconds of skippable video. No, fuck you. So yeah, then, I mean, that's it. You just, you align it. You make sure you got music or something. Your audio's good. Everything syncs up. And I can't believe I made that whole video without cutting a single time. It's just one long take. And fucking take notes, True Detective. So, all jokes aside, I have the actual video queued up here. It's all edited together. I'm just going to go ahead and pop the preview up on my other monitor, switch over to that with recording, and hit play. We'll take a preview of what we got here. But first, make sure you head on over to my Patreon. Really helps me out a lot. Follow me up on Twitter, get all the latest haps. That's twitter.com/bootygotstank69. Pop down there in the old comments section. Smash that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that alerts. Make sure you know when I got new content out. And, all right, here's the video.